Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a two-way integration between ClickUp and Google Calendar. Whether you're managing multiple projects, keeping track of deadlines, or simply want to see all your tasks and events in one place, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Ready to streamline your scheduling? Let's dive in. First, open your ClickUp workspace and go to the left-hand menu. Look for the More option and click on it. From there, navigate to Apps Center. This is where ClickUp connects with your favorite tools like Google Calendar. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important steps. Next, in the Integrations panel, search for Google Calendar. Once you see it, click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account, so enter your credentials and click Allow or OK to grant ClickUp permission to access your calendar. This step ensures that ClickUp can sync your tasks in real time with your Google Calendar. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, and double-check that you have the necessary permissions to add events to that calendar. Doing this beforehand prevents errors and ensures a seamless integration. Once your account is connected, click the Add button under Sync Task to Calendar. Here, select the space or project you want to sync and then choose which Google Calendar it should appear in. You can also toggle the option to sync only tasks assigned to you, which is perfect for keeping your personal workload visible without cluttering your team's calendar. You can repeat this step to add multiple spaces or projects to different calendars as needed. After that, go back to your space in ClickUp, navigate to the View drop-down, and select Google Calendar View. Now, your tasks and events will appear directly inside ClickUp alongside your calendar, giving you a complete overview. Any updates you make in ClickUp or Google Calendar will reflect both ways, keeping everything synchronized automatically. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to integrate Google Calendar with ClickUp easily and efficiently, creating a seamless two-way sync that keeps your schedule organized and up to date. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?